Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Markayla, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today, I am doing a wig install with this beautiful long curly hair that I got from the TikTok shop. So, yo, I forgot to wipe my hands off after I put conditioner on. That's the wet stuff on my hand. Please forgive me. If you would like to see how I installed this flawless look, please stay tuned. Before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all my social medias, and the link to the hair will be in the description. All right, let's get into it.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only that thing. Oh, we're trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, but way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself? Memories just keep ringing bells. Hear voices I don't wanna understand. My car keys are jingling in my hand. My high heels are clicking towards the door. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feeling. It's this one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. This one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing and I was so with it. This one thing you did. And baby, I just can't believe it. It's this one thing you did. Tonight, trying to let the door, but I keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can keep it secret. Babe, what you did. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feeling. This one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know
your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. But I like you, so baby, I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense on. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a combination. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
the final look. Let me know if you guys are messing with it. Let me know if you would buy the hair. So far, my first, I haven't worn it for a long time because this is literally the first time I'm installing it. But so far, so good. There is a little bit of shedding, but that is typical with curly hair. Also, this did not bleach well at all. I had to do it 2 times, and the first time I over bleached it. But that may have been user error. But these knots were a little big. I'm just saying. Also, the hair feels very soft. It didn't have too much of a chemical smell to it, but I will give you guys an update probably in like maybe a month, because I like to actually wear the wig a while before I give my opinion on it. But if you guys like the video, if you got this far, please comment, please like the video and subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all my social medias, and the link to the hair will be in the description box. You guys have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.